guys, welcome back. We are going to show you how to make a cute little snowflake out of this really nice and thick tinsel chenille. The one that I have here is silver. It also comes in green, red, and gold. I like the silver color. It's just really fun. The wire on here is really substantial too. So you're going to start off with 6 pieces. Okay, we're going to scoop them all up and making them as even as possible from head to toe. With one of them, we're going to see, we're going to take it, one of the strands, and go around to twist and hold them all together. Okay, so we've got that nice and tight. Now let's go ahead and open up so we can see all of the legs of the star, or arms of the star. Okay, so now we're going to grab them by 2 and pinch every 2 together. So I'll take these 2, put them together, and about 1.5 inches from the top, I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to twist it twice. Okay, now let's grab the next set of 2, same length, about 1.5 to 2 inches, and at the top we're going to pinch and twist. Great. Next one, same length, pinch and twist. Take 2 of them together, pinch and twist. These 2, pinch and twist. And the last 2. So it is totally okay if these are just not exactly the same height, but I do want to make sure I grab a little bit of that and twist. Okay, so this right here could actually be a snowflake just as is, but we're going to take it a step further and grab one of these arms, and we're just going to take them from the center part here, and we're just going to pull out. And then we'll go to the next one. From the center of the 2 stems, pull out and work our way around. Ta-da! Look at that. Now you can, oh, I missed one. We'll do one more. Okay, there we go. A little twist. And there is a perfect little snowflake. You could actually take a pen or pencil and go to the tops and give those a little turn to the side. If you want, you can do this on each side. Just give it a little twist, a little curl at the end. That's kind of fun too. Another thought that I had is you could take your family picture, cut it out, and glue it on the center to make an ornament too. Isn't that cute? So that is your fun little snowflake with only 6 pipe cleaners.